Hey guys, so this tip with waving is super easy. It's something you can do to improve your waves like by a lot. So we're not really going to change the way we wave. We're just going to try and change the way we put our body. So the tip is take any wave pattern or any wave such as this. We'll just do the one pattern. So we'll wave behind our head, continue to wave behind our back, down to the knee and back out. So this same pattern we're going to try by putting our body into different position now. So the first thing we're going to do, wave to the shoulder, and now we'll try to put our body into a different position from here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my body all the way down here now, and the wave's not going to change, just my body's going to change. So as soon as I get behind my back to here now I'm going to try and turn my body again, and we wave, and then we come around. Notice my body changed again from here. My body's coming around, and now as soon as we come down this time, I'm going to maybe like turn my body down here, and then we'll come back out. So we'll try that again quickly, just so you can see how moving your body makes a big difference. Around, down, around, up, down, up. So again, around, down, around the back, up, down, up. Okay? Compared to the first one, which was just around the head like this. Okay? So just putting your body into different positions is just like a huge difference. We can try that same thing while turning now. So that same wave pattern, we'll try and just turn over it now. So we'll go around the head, around the back, down to the knee, and then maybe back up, but we'll turn with it. So it's the same wave, we're just putting our body into different positions now. So that same thing, we'll try it again. Wave behind the head, wave behind the back, come down, and maybe we'll turn the opposite way again. Boom. So just putting your body into different positions, it matters, you know. So try that. That's only one pattern. It can be done with like pretty much any waving pattern, but just for the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you one pattern and kind of give you an idea of like how to do it. Whatever pattern you want to do, it's up to you pretty much. Even if you just want to do like very simple waves like this, maybe we can do something like this. Boom. Okay? So we could take a wave from here, like a simple just arm wave. Maybe halfway through the wave, like at the shoulders, we'll try to do something different at the shoulders before we come out now. So, normal wave, variation of that same wave by putting your body in a different position. Now we'll try something at the shoulders. We'll go up, down, then maybe down again, boom, like that. Or we might try and turn our body like this, halfway through. So wave to the shoulder, boom. Oh, you can't really see it. Maybe I'll start off like this so you can see. Wave to the shoulder, and then I'm kind of like turning. Other shoulder now, wave back up, boom. Okay, so try that. And you can change your levels and stuff in between the shoulders, like one, wave back out, boom. So it's the same wave, just moving your body around.